Hi everyone, my name is Olivia. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 6th generation Ford Fiesta vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. Some 2011 to 2014 models have been recalled due to defective door latches that are prone to malfunction, causing the doors not to close properly, and in extreme cases, the affected door swings open while the vehicle is moving. The repair consists in replacing all 4 defective door latches with new improved replacements in the affected vehicles. Number 2. The infotainment system in some of these vehicles tends to freeze, and sometimes it is unable to recognize phones. Performing a software update usually solves the problem, but in some cases the sync control module is defective and needs to be replaced. Number 3. The water pump in some of these vehicles is prone to develop coolant leaks at low mileage. It is recommended to replace the complete timing kit shown on the screen when replacing the bad water pump. Number 4. The plastic gears of the blend door actuators in some of these vehicles tend to strip, causing ticking sound when switching vent flow in the heater control panel. Sometimes the bad actuator makes ticking sound when the engine is first started. Replacing the damaged blend door actuator with a new one solves the problem. Number 5. The clutch in some 2011 to 2015 models equipped with a DPS6 transmission is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure and needs to be replaced. Number 6. The heater blower motor resistor in some of these vehicles is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing the heater blower motor to only work at high speed or not to turn on at all. Number 7. The transmission control module in some 2011 to 2015 models equipped with DPS6 automatic transmission is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing loss of transmission engagement while driving and intermittent lack of power. And the message "Hill Start Assist not available" appears in the message center. Replacing the defective transmission control module with a new, improved replacement and programming it to the vehicle solves the problem. Number 8. The rear shocks are prone to develop fluid leaks and to experience premature failure, causing a rough and unstable riding condition of the vehicle. Replacing the bad rear shocks with new ones solves the problem. Number 9. The batteries inside the TPMS sensors tend to lose the charge over time, causing the TPMS light to illuminate in the instrument panel. Replacing the old TPMS sensors with new ones and programming them to the vehicle solves the problem. Number 10. The CV butts are prone to rip over time. This causes dirt and water to enter, damaging the CV joint. Replacing the damaged CV joint with a new one and installing a new CV butt or replacing the complete CV axle assembly with a new one solves the problem. Those are 10 common problems that 6th generation Ford Fiesta vehicles are prone to experience. Have a wonderful day.